According to a report by WHO, around 422 million people worldwide have diabetes, with the majority of them living in low to mid-income countries. Roughly 1.6 million deaths per year are attributed directly to this disease. To address the growing numbers, these 6 innovators and tech companies are revolutionizing diabetes management by accessing the one device almost all of us have, a smartphone. Starting in North America, US-based digital healthcare company OneDrop is leveraging mobile computing and data science to make diabetes care affordable and accessible. The company offers solutions such as automatic card counting, automatic medicine scheduling, and also insulin pump data. Over in Minneapolis, Pops Diabetes provides smart devices and app-based solutions for managing diabetes. The company has combined the traditional test kit to a meter that can be connected via Bluetooth to a smartphone, allowing users to check blood pressure on the go. Across the pond in Europe, France-based medical device company FeetMe has developed insoles that can identify the risk of diabetic foot ulcers through real-time gait analysis. The smart insoles connect to your smartphone via Bluetooth, providing real-time data. Crossing borders into Austria, Glucotab offers comprehensive diabetic therapy solutions for nursing staff and physicians who are involved in insulin therapy. Glucotab provides blood glucose management and automatically suggests corrective insulin dosages. In West Asia, Lebanon-based startup Spike is a mobile assistant that monitors habits of the patient and accordingly recommends insulin dosage, diet plan, and physical activity too. Additionally, Spike has the option to share the patient's data with the concerned doctor for further analysis. And in India, Delhi-based app Beto leverages AI and data analytics to identify the glycemic index of the patient and accordingly suggests a diet plan. The app comes with a glucometer to take readings that can be synchronized with various fitness trackers too. Now, isn't that quite impressive? And that list isn't remotely exhaustive. The fact is, these innovators blossom only because of the exponential rise in diabetic cases in recent times. So, this World Diabetes Day, let's all take a pledge to switch to a healthier lifestyle and battle diabetes at its very core.